I know, you're right. Microsoft deprecated SNMP in Windows 11. If you would try to install SNMP in the old traditional way, it wouldn't work. But before you jump to any conclusions, I would like to give you some insights. So please don't panic. Okay? Okay. One of the questions that frequently pops up in network monitoring space is, hey, can I install SNMP in Windows 11? The reason why people are asking this question is because they cannot find SNMP in programs and features under the control panel. In the older version of the Windows, including Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and the Windows 10 1803 and the older Windows edition, you could easily go to control panel, programs and features, select SNMP and install that. That's not anymore case with Windows 11. If you want to install SNMP in Windows 11, you would need to open PowerShell or Windows Terminal, execute a command and then do installation. And in this video, I will show how to do that. So let's jump to my Windows machine. Here is my Windows 11 machine. This is a clean VM that I prepared to show you how to install SNMP. In the older version of the Windows, including Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and also some versions of Windows 10, you would go to Control Panel and you will install SNMP as a feature. Now if I try to do the same on Windows 11, I go to Start menu and I search for Turn Windows Features on or off and I try to find SNMP. I wouldn't be able to do so because SNMP is not available as a feature in Windows 11. There is another way how you can install that, and basically what you need to do here, you need to open PowerShell or Windows Terminal, which I will do now. I will open Windows Terminal. Remember that you need to have admin rights in order to install SNMP. I will confirm that, and then I will add a command, or I will add a set of commands that will help me to install SNMP in Windows 11. This is preloaded, but if you would like to copy that and do it in your Windows 11 machine, you can find that in the below section. I will hit enter, and then it will install in just a few seconds. Now, if I want to verify if SNMP is installed, I can navigate to Services, and then I can search for SNMP. And I can see SNMP service is installed. Now SNMP service is installed and can be configured for monitoring purposes. It's easy, as you can see. What I can do here, I need to do double click on SNMP service and then I go to security and then I need to specify the community string. The community string is a pre-shared key, some kind of the key that's exchanged between monitoring endpoint, which is in this case is Windows 11, and the network monitoring product, for example PRTG. And then I will add a community name, which is called, let's say, public. This is the default one, but you can use a different one, public exclamation mark, and then I will click add. And the second thing that you can do here is you can also define if you would like to accept SNMP packets from any host in your network, or if you would like to specify SNMP packets from these hosts. This is recommended settings that you should use. You would need to tap here IP address of your network monitoring solution. Let's say my address is 9192.168.88.100. This is my network monitoring solution, PRTG. I will click apply and then I will click OK. Once done, you need to restart SNMP service, right click and then click on restart. And once restarted, it should work. This was easy. You just needed to execute a command in the PowerShell and your SNMP is available and ready to be used. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, please feel free to share with your friends, with your network, and don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe. Thank you.